triticales. Spring triticales generally don't overwinter, but these two are a type of spring triticale called facultative, which means they can act as a winter triticale, but they don't have to vernalize. So they can be planted in the spring. So these were planted in the fall, and these are a couple different varieties that we're kind of looking at. Usually we wouldn't plant them in the fall. We would plant them in the spring and they would look different. We have those in our spring planted plots that we can look at another time. But this just goes to show you that even in a harsh winter, some of these things can make it through pretty well. Again, I think probably having the protection from the wind helped, but it still got very, very cold and they made it through pretty good. So we're not going to talk about these a lot here simply because they were planted not necessarily in the right time frame. We would still always recommend a winter variety planted in October, but we wanted to see what it would do, and it actually did pretty good.